What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing baby DogDay from GameToons Smiling Critters. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the nose. We're going to start over on the left side. Let's add a curve going up the middle and then back down towards the right. And then from the ends we're going to curve the nose coming down and then in towards the center. Let's go to the tip of the nose and draw the mouth. We're going to start with the left side. We're going to bend this down and then out. Go back to the center. Do the same thing on the right. Now on the left side, we're going to add a small tooth coming down and up like a V. Let's go back to the side of the nose and draw the bottom edge of the eyes. Let's start with the left. Coming down and then bend that up. And then going back to the side of the nose, let's draw the top of the eye. Let's start on the left. We're going to draw an oval. We're going to go in, all the way up towards the top of the eye, come around, and then back down on the outside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming in, go up towards the same height, come around the outside, and then back down. Now I want to push the pupils towards the inside of the eyes. Starting on the left, let's draw an oval, going up, come down, then in towards the bottom, and we'll line that up on the right side. Let's fill the outside of the eyes in black. Now I'm going to move out to the side of the eyes and draw the cheeks coming down towards the chin. Let's start on the left side. From this point we're going to step up, go this around, come down towards the bottom, then in towards the middle. Let's go all the way around and up on the right side, go up, and then just pull that back in. Let's go to the top of the cheeks and draw the head. We're going to go up around the eye. Now we want to bend this down in the middle. Let's round up the center, go up above the right eye, go across, and then down. Let's split the center of the head. Starting right in the middle, draw a straight line coming down in between the eyes towards the nose. And then above the eyes, we're going to add a curve for the eyebrows. Let's place the ears on top of the head. We're going to start from the top of the brow. Just going to curve this up. Now you want to add a fold. So we're going to bring this down towards the side. And then line this up on the right, going up and then down. Let's add the back side of the ear. We're going to step out, going up and then down toward the side. Bend this out, round out the ear, and then bend that in towards the side of the cheek. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, going up, down and out, and then we'll bend that in. Now with the head complete, let's move underneath the chin and draw a circle. Start from the top, going all the way around, and then back up. Now we're going to move out on the left side and add these small bumps, going all the way around the circle. Let's move out to the side and draw on the body. We're going to step out on the left, we curve the body going out, come down and in towards the middle, go up on the right side, and then just tuck that in underneath the head. Let's go over towards the left hip and draw the top edge of the diaper. We come down and then up. Now in the top half of the body, let's add a half circle. Starting from the left, we go up and then in, go over towards the right, go out and then down. Now I want to tuck the legs in underneath the body. Let's start from the left side, bend the leg going out, round up the leg, and just pull that up on the bottom, move over towards the right, come down towards the same height, go all the way around and up and in. Let's separate the bottom of the feet with a curve, going down and then up. Now we're going to move up and draw in the arms. From the top of the body, we're going to step out, then the arm going out, round up the arm, and just pull that in towards the hip. Let's separate the wrist, coming in and then down. Now I want to draw the tail over on the left side. We're start from the hip, bend this out and around, pulling that in, and I'll draw in the bottom half. And now I'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Baby DogDay from GameToons Smiling Critters. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.